morning, boys.
Good morning.
The boys busy cooking. Ano yan?
No work, right? Today, at least.
Yeah, happy Saturday.
Last night you worked late, so.
Ryan, you're gonna cook. Later we have party. Yeah. Tito Edgar's birthday today.
You have again spaghetti.
Yeah, I think so. I'm not sure. But a lot of Filipino food.
Malunggay.
100% what is it? Tito Vodka milk.
Yeah, usually. So, kain muna ng lunch. Then, later we'll be at Tito Mark's house. Good thing you bought banana, baby. Ryan loves banana. Ewan ko, yung mga boxes dito may amoy, guys. Kaya tinatapon namin agad kasi may amoy siya. Nangangamoy yung kusina. Dahil sa mga box na ito. What breakfast you want? Sandwich? Nutella sandwich or cheese sandwich?
You can make cheese sandwich now. I thought you said there's no ketchup on it.
No, there's ketchup now and there is cheese already. Daddy ordered. Choose.
Nutella sandwich.
Nutella. Lumabas si Ryan at saka si Daddy Ram, guys. Sabi ko sa kanila, bilhan niyo ako ng boxes. Kasi nga, may mga bagay tayong ilalagay, diba? And ito mga laruan ni Ryan, iti-change ko yung box niya kasi sayang naman yung plastic box. So, may karton ng binili si Daddy Ram kahapon. Ilipat natin. Malaki pala itong binili ni Daddy Ram kahapon na box. Pero kailangan kong i-tape para mas secure siya. Ito yung mga laruan ni Ryan na kailangan nating ilipat, diba? Kasi sayang naman yan. Pwede pang lagyan ng ibang gamit. And ito, pwede naming i-send sa probinsya via bus. Kasi may kakilala si Daddy Ram na bus driver. Malaki ang box.
Hi guys, we are going out somewhere. Daddy didn't tell me. Daddy, where are we going? Where are we going?
We are going to get some empty cartons for mommy packing.
Empty cartons, so mommy can pack.
Boxes.
We are getting ready to go to Philippines, like what we told in some other videos. Yeah.
So you're excited?
Of course I'm excited. There's so many places that I did not see. Like literally.
For that, I think during the Christmas you have holidays. We'll go back to hometown. Maybe.
Christmas we have 4 days holiday. Yes.
And Sankranti also will have holidays.
I think when is Christmas?
Christmas is always 25th December.
25th December 25th. So I think mommy said like after Christmas holidays, I think there's gonna be like maybe Saturday, Sunday.
Yeah, something like that, I think. Yeah.
And then after that is like Sankranti. I think he said something like that.
Sankranti still, yeah. Sankranti in middle of January.
Middle of January.
Maybe it falls like for the weekend, maybe, then followed by Saturday, Sunday, maybe you have school one other holiday, something like that, maybe.
Okay. So my dad is going there. You see that shop, right? He's gonna be getting the stuff from there. What is it, Daddy?
Wait, let me move the car, little friend, then we can take. He has one hour.
Oh, okay. So I think it's Jai Ramdev Enterprises, or it's maybe New Ramdev Electrical. I don't know it. I think it's this one, Enterprises. We're searching for some cardboard box, but he's doing at the electrical. You know, it's for electronics. I wonder what he's doing. Oh my god, those things are big! Wow, dude, that is very big, right guys? Hi Daddy!
Huh?
It's so big, those boxes. Are you sure you're gonna fit? They fitted? Okay, they fitted. It's so big.
At least we got something, okay? Let's go.
Yes, let's go.
How many?
2 boxes.
Oh,
Yes, they don't have. Like, maybe next time we can get slowly. We can do one by one pack.
that's good enough. Help me with putting tape.
The other one?
Yeah, securing the
Pack
other one.
already.
Huh?
Pack already.
Yeah, I pack already. Like that? Wait, it's folded. Ayan, take shower. Punta na si Daddy Ram sa gym, guys. So, idadrop muna namin siya doon. It's already 4:48 kasi. So, medyo late na. Ang plano sana namin, idadrop kami ni Daddy Ram kina Mark. And then, punta siya ng gym. Pero, pag pumunta pa siya doon at bumalik dito, hindi na sapat yung oras. Kasi nakatulog ako ng konti. Kulang nga yung tulog ko, di ba? So, nakaidlip ako. Then, pagising ko, medyo late na. Ayan, dito lang yung gym ni Daddy Ram.
Okay?
Bye! Say bye, Ryan.
Bye-bye. Bye, Nana.
You wanna sit here in front? Okay.
Careful, okay?
Okay.
Yeah. Your bag. Don't forget your bag.
Yeah.
Don't forget to wear black.
Yeah.
Our team is black. Black team.
Bye. Change.
Yeah. Bye! Happy birthday, Kuya!
Okay, let's sing.
Let's sing happy birthday na. Dami ganda. Tony!
Bakit si Tony na tinawag?
Okay, Ate Tere! Kaloka! Isama na siya! So nice, right? Merry Christmas! Yung mga design ni Mark. Come on, let's cut the cake!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Mama, may nauna, Mark. May nauna talaga, Mark.
First time kong gumasa. Wala pala ko na judgment mo.
Anong tawag dyan, Mark? Anong tawag? Nagbagong isip.
Wag na akong kainin niya. Baka mamaya ay. Ako.
Oh my God, ang lechon belly. Oh my God. Ikaw gumawa lahat, Mark?
Hindi naman.
Kaya
ano to
nga.
Kay Iris.
Kay Iris. Yung isa.
Ang bag ko.
Si ate. Ito ulit eh. Oh my God, nasarap yan.
Yeah, have some.
Ryan, what you want to eat? Come on, come here. Come here. Yes, I saw. Get a plate, spaghetti. That's lechon belly.
This one is chicken.
Chicken. Weird para sa kanya, bakit may tali daw yung yung ulam.
You know why? Because it has to hold it together.
Yeah.
I want
Spaghetti.
Spaghetti and what? I made what do you call that one? Alfredo. Penny Alfredo.
Nag-English. English pa more.
Blanket.
Welcome to our vlog. Welcome to Ryan's vlog. He's hosting our podcast.
Hindi ko pala kayang dalhin. Ang dalawang plato.
Sa isa lang, ma'am. Ngayon ang kalaban. Is it still on?
He made pasta?
Yeah. White pasta. You like white pasta or spaghetti?
I don't know. I like everything. I love it. I love it.
And what are you eating? Oh, your favorite. Tito Mark's spaghetti. Is it good? Is it good?
Yes. What's one thing?
Is it how much you rate it on 1 to 10 scale? 10, 9, 8, 5, 4, 3. 4. This is 4. 40. 0, 4.
Wala ng tubig-tubig te.
This is 1.
Sarap pa yung bulalo.
0. 10.
Yes.
Oh my God, this is so good, Ram.
Well, I'll ask my mom, but is it so later?
Try it. Isn't it? It's good, right?
But the
Uy, walang transparable na shell dito, te.
Sa second level.
Ito ka na. Okay, no.
Pupunta ka doon, Tony?
Ah.
Thank you. Where can I sit? No.
Padala na lang ng rice tsaka ng lunch. Charot. What? Sa gitna?
Depende.
Oh my God, yung beer ko nasa gitna.
Oo lang, bakit ba?
Ano Martin na sa
Kapit tayo.
Baka yung mawawala yung image mo, te.
Thank you so much.
Ako dito. Diyan kayo mga Ilocana.
Ito yung ano?
Dati dalawa lang yun, bipolar lang. Ayun,
Multiple personality.
di ba? Sarap. Wala kang tried.
Made up.
Yes. This. And this.
Ano oras dumating?
4.
4. Ako din 4.
On time. Ba yan?
Ba yan?
Ako lang naman yung late eh.
Kala namin may dalang egg.
Paano na?
Hindi lang masigyan.
Oo. Wala naman parking sa taas. Ay, layo na naman ang pinarking ngayon.
Naka-ano kami. Nakita ko nga yung nasa
Nakaklan niyo. Dito lang sa Restaurant, kinuha yung parking ko.
Binjang, dal.
Thanks so much.
Usog ng konti.
Dito na si Ram, guys. And ayan, busy siya sa mga friends niya. Nakikichika. And nandito naman si ano. Si Mark! Kaya ka nag-i-enjoy. Diba? Correct. Chika-chika silang tatlo. Na ako sa bahay, guys. And ang dami kong na-sharon. Mas naunang umuwi si Ram at saka si Ryan kaya sa akin. Ito kasi mga veg. Sayang naman, tatapon lang ito ni Mark kasi wala kang kumakain, di ba? Mga Indian food na veg. So, may malaki naman tayong ref para paglagyan nito. Titignan ko kung ano yung gustong kainin ni Ram. Iaan ko siya. Separate. Pero, yung iba, siguro ipamimigay ko dito sa mga guards sa community namin. Sayang naman, konti lang yung nabawas. Then, ito na yung Filipino food. Thank you so much, Kuya Edgar. Happy birthday. And Mark. Kasi halos si Mark lahat ang nagluto. May fruit salad, adobo, leche flan. Kita nyo naman ang daming pagkain, di ba? Hindi naman kami masyadong marami. Sila yung isa sa mga mamimiss ko dito sa India. Yung aking Filipino family dito sa India. Nagdadala naman kami at saka nagpaplano ng mga travel plans kasi uuwi din yung iba. So, gusto namin na magkita-kita din doon sa Pinas. We'll see. Sana nga may fruit salad pa. Ito yung pinaka gusto ko. Tingnan nyo naman ang dami na sharon na ano to. Yung buttered garlic crabs and shrimp. Diba? Mga 1 week na ulam to, guys. May ano pa ako, bulalo. Ako na talaga. Ang dami namin na uwi. Then ito yung menudo ni Iris. Ayan. Napakasaya pag may gathering talaga kami. And usually, inaalaw ako nila Diram na magpaiwan. And hinahatid naman ako ng friend ko na si Iris. So, alam niyang makaka-uwi ako ng safe dito sa bahay. And makapag-spend time naman kami ng mga kaibigan ko. So, ilalagay ko lang ito sa fridge, guys. Ako na ang mag-post ng vlog kasi ang ating Ryan ay tulog na. Thank you guys for watching and hope you enjoyed the video. Good night!